Hey guys, welcome back. Figured I would stay with the trend of opening some of these locks that I've had sitting around here for too long now. I think the last video I posted, or maybe the one before that, but I think it was the last one, Randy Perkins commented on it about a challenge lock that he had sent me a few months back and wanted to see it picked, and I actually kind of forgot that I had it because everything's been kind of packed up, but this is it. This is Russwin challenge lock that he pinned up and sent to me. It does have a working key. Hangs up a little bit. Leads me to believe there's possibly a T-pin in there. Here is bitting on the key. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So, figured made it through all the red eye locks. Let's see if I can get this one. I have opened this one a couple of times actually. Never on camera, obviously. And I have not gutted it yet, so I don't know what's inside it. So, hopefully, if I get this thing open, we'll all find out at the same time what's inside of it. I know Randy said that this was one of his best challenge locks that he had made, and it's given me enough headache in the past that I believe that. So let's see if we can get it open again, and this time gut it and see what's inside here that drives me crazy. I know it doesn't give a whole lot of feedback, that's for sure. Click off of 3. Click off of 4. Can't get under 5. A couple of clicks off of 2 there, and a slight turn on the core. I think that's all we're going to get. See if we can get under 5. Feels like a little feedback off of, there we go, got another click off of 2. Trying to get back under 5 again. I'm telling you, I don't know what in the world was in this lock, but it doesn't do a whole lot of talking. There's a little bit of counter rotation. A little more turn on the core. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna get her. There's a click and false set again. Seems like I keep going back and forth between 5 and 1. Every time I do, one or the other drops back down. Can't figure out which one needs to go first. I think I'm hung up on number 5, but I can't seem to get it set. Maybe that got it, or maybe not. I think I'm overset. Come on. I felt like I got a real slight turn there. deeper false set that time. Oh, there it is. Damn. 10 minutes. Sorry about the long video, guys. I don't like giving up if I don't have to. That thing put up a hell of a fight. Well, finally got it on video, so I'll get to see what's inside of it finally. Let me get a pinning tray. I think it's time to get rid of that shim. It's seen better days. And let's see. Phillips. Randy, I haven't looked inside yet, but he did a hell of a job on this thing. I'm telling you, this thing gave me headaches especially when it first came in, and I didn't have all these picks. Good grief, it drove me nuts. I'd pick on it and pick on it, and never did get an open. And actually, it wasn't until I got the new picks that I ever got an open, and I wasn't expecting it, so I didn't get it on cam. Alright, let's see. Pins are facing up. Alright. Where'd my tweezers go? There. Well, as you can see, 1, 3, and 5 are pretty high, pretty close to the shear line. And I see some threading in number 2 at least, but we'll take a closer look after we get these dumped out. There's 1. 2 is a T-pin. 3 is standard. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. 1 is serrated. We'll take a closer look at these when I get them done. Get everything out. Looks like 1 and 2 are threaded. 3, 4, and 5 are still standard. Now let's see what he's got up top. Got a feeling this is where all the headache was coming from. Yep, there's a T-pin already. T-pin in 1. Little serrated or spool type in 2. Serrated in 3. Looks like a double spool type in 4. And a T-pin in 5. Springs all look uniform, so I'm going to dump them out and take a look inside. Get a flashlight here. Looks like 1 standard 2 is threaded. Looks like 2 and 4 are threaded. I don't know if you can see those on camera or not. 2 and 4 are threaded, the others are not. 1, 3, and 5 are not. Alright, closer look at these pins. Alright, number 1 was real nice serrated key pin. 2 is a T-pin key pin, nicely made. And then 3, 4 are standard. 5, I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but it's kind of beveled and reduced a little bit at the top. Not quite a T-pin, but it's different. And then up top, we've got T-pin in 1, nice little spool in 2, a serrated in 3, a little homemade double spool in 4, real nice, and 5 is another one of those little tiny T-pins, and there it is. So that's what got inside Randy Perkins Russwin. Sorry about the long video, guys. Thanks for watching. Randy, thanks for the locks. Glad I finally got this thing on cam. And keep it fun, guys. Catch you next time.